Hello friends, in today's topic we will talk about the concept of nomination. Every time you fill an investment form, whether it's for a post office investment, bank account opening form, demat account, insurance forms, fixed deposit, mutual fund, bank locker or any other form of investment, there is a section called the nomination. We often leave it blank unless the person at the counter asks us to fill it. In this video, let us check out if it is important for us to fill up this section. If yes, why? Before we move on, let's understand what is nomination. Nomination is a facility that enables the depositor or investor of any financial instrument or safety locker to nominate an individual who can claim the proceeds of the deposit, investment or contents of the safety locker post death of the depositor, investor or safety locker holder. However, you cannot nominate a company, trust or an association of people. So who is a nominee? Nominee is that person whom you can list in your investment or account opening forms as a person who can receive the proceeds of your account in case of your unexpected demise. Nominee can be anyone you deem fit. It can be your relative, that is, your spouse, kids, parents, siblings or any other relatives. Most investments also allow you to have multiple nominees, where you can assign certain percentage of your investments or returns to each one of them. If you don't specify percentage, it will be shared equally among all the nominees. Why should you have a nominee? It is important to have a nominee because in case of an untimely event of one's demise, family and near ones go through very painful and difficult times of coping up with the loss. In addition, we like it or not, financial security is necessary for the surviving members of the family. All financial organizations have a standard and simple process for settling death claims where nomination is clearly mentioned in their forms. But in the absence of a nomination, the process of settling a death claim may require a lot of documentations, including death certificate, succession certificate, asking for a legal hire certificate, a will or a court order, etc. And these procedures will take a lot of time, and we are sure this is not a situation in which you want to leave your loved ones at a time when they are trying to come to terms with your having gone. Some facts. According to Reserve Bank of India, Employee Provident Fund and IRDA, there are thousands of crores of unclaimed amount lying with them across the country. These are lying in the account of original investors and not claimed. This data is a testimony to the fact as to how difficult it will be to claim the amount if there is no nomination. The family decides to forego the amount due to the complexity of the procedures involved when the nomination is not given. Thus, the family does not benefit from your hard-earned money. Therefore, make it a point to fill the nomination form whenever you make an investment or open an account for investment. When nominating, keep this in mind. You must mention the full name, age, address and your relationship with the nominee. Ensure the full name mentioned is as per the PAN or Aadhaar card of the nominee. Do not write blanket statements like wife and children and parents in the nomination form. Mention their specific names and particulars as existing at the time of nomination. If you are nominating a minor, child less than 18 years of age, don't forget to appoint a person who is aged above 18 years as a guardian and give their details like full name, age, address and relationship to the nominee. Also, obtain witness signature on the nomination forms and provide the details of the witness as well. We request you to kindly take some time out today. List out all your investments and accounts that you operate and check if you have filled in the nominee for each of the account. If not, please take this as your top priority and get the nomination forms filled today or latest during this weekend. Don't postpone it thinking you will do it in due course and nothing would happen to you immediately. We are not scaring you. We are just making you aware of the need to have nomination done. Hope this information is useful to you. This video is one of a series of educational videos that will be available on this channel. We look forward to each one of your support and cooperation in making this initiative a success. For more details about the trust, do visit us at www.legalaidtrust.in. Kindly subscribe to this channel and stay updated about various law-related matters by clicking on the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Thank you.